is PC Building Simulator. And today, I'm gonna go from and also we're gonna learn how I can be a better PC builder. Let's get into it. Hello, my name is Aiden Walker. This is my PC business, and today we're gonna be going from day 0 to day 30, seeing how much I can make. So today is January 1st, which is a Monday. So this is day 1, and let's check our email to see who we have first. So, we have a guy, we have, hi Tim, I hope you can help me. My computer has been running slower than usual, and I think I might have clicked on something I should have not have. Do I have a virus? Thanks, Gary. Okay, so cost is 100, so he'll pay us $100. Budget is 0. Objectives: we need to remove a virus. We're gonna check this one. This is the uh email uh things, few things, but which we don't need. So we can delete that. Alright, so we're gonna click go to PC. We're gonna right click. Then this is my workstation. And then what we need to do is it tells us if PC needs to boot, remove viruses. So all we have to do is just hold left click and just plug these in to where they go. So basically there's nothing too bad about PC. We just need to turn it on and remove some viruses. So the PC is booting up, so that looks functional. Alright, I would recommend this guy get at least 3 more fans, at least to get some intake and some outtake. But yeah, anyways, we go to okay. So now we need to go to install, because we need to install my USB drive into this case. So we left click. Once that's installed, now we go to add program. We need to go to uh, virus scanner. Once we get virus scanner downloaded, it takes a minute to download. No, don't restart. Actually, maybe we should have. Yeah. So we're gonna restart. So you turn it off, turn it back on. So it's booting up. We have video scanner. We left click, and then left click. It's scanning them virus files. It's complete, clean files, all done. We're gonna click that, back out, and yep, we completed that order. Now what we can do, go back here, remove the program. So the PC is rebooting. We're gonna let it reboot. While it's rebooting, I may remove my thumb drive. Okay, so it is now done rebooting. We can turn it off, and now we can remove these cables. Okay, now I can pick it up and put it back in here. Collect the award, continue. So we collect, made 100, we gained 100, but since we're in negative 15, we have 85. And now I can discard that, and that is day 1 done. So on day one, we made, or balance was negative 15. Current balance is now $85. That is day one completed. Day two is next. Okay, guys. Today is day two, January 2nd, Tuesday. And let's see what we have on our agenda. Okay, so we have a lot of emails. So this email, this was on day one. We can just get rid of. Now help. Okay. So these are new people. Alright. And this is what we need to do. So this says, we're not, we can read, I don't read all of it. I just go to see what they need. So this is something simple. Remove virus, clean out dust. Okay. So we're gonna accept, continue, accept, continue, accept, continue. Okay. So this one's pretty easy. Now this one, we need to install a more, so this, right here. Hello, I need some more space to back up my files. Could you install a 500 gigabyte H HDD, please? I'd bring it around first thing. Thank you. So there's two different things you should know. HDD and there's SDD. This is a hard. I don't know the technical term, but I will. Yeah, they both mean something. I know the solid state drive or something like that. But anyways, yeah, thank you, Lemma. We get 280. Budget is 50. Okay, so we're gonna buy that. So we need to install and merge. Okay, so we need to go. We need to throw this down here. Open the shop. Go to storage. We can go to here. We got add the cart. Okay. Now that's that in the cart, we can go to this one. Place graphics card install. Okay. So we need to go back to here. Go to a graphics card. Clean. I need to add. So we don't have any money. So we're gonna close those. Go back to shop. Storage, go to view. Continue. Buy. Okay. So, we just bought those. Everything's gonna arrive on Wednesday, January 3rd. So, I will see you guys on January 3rd. It's now January 3rd, Wednesday. And it looks like we have a lot of stuff on our calendar. So, okay, first, open the email. Okay, so we have everything. We have the PCs, we have this. Okay, open these first. Okay, we have that. We hit escape, back out. Alright. Now we're gonna go with the one that says this. We go to PC, right click, and put it on here. Okay. First, we need to flip the PC around so I can get to the back. remove the back panel. Okay. Now we need to zoom in. Not that close. We need to left click to remove this tray. Now we need to install. Go to storage. Install. Okay. Now we need to remove. What's going on? Okay. Now I got that installed. Now we need cable part. Cable. Oh, I'm sorry. I've installed these into here. I was confused what was going on. Anyways.
Alright, so this might be the CPU or the RAM.
Okay.
If I'm remembering correctly.
So it looks like we got everything installed. We can install the back plate back on. Okay, back is on. Now I can look at the PC, power it on. Install my thumbstick. Nice and installed. Things working. PC boots, everything alright. So we can power off and remove my thumbstick and all of these. So after removing those, I like to put them down here. Okay. Now that's done, now we can go to collect. Alright. Now we can discard. And that is the end of day 3. Okay, today is January 4th, Thursday. Let's see what we have. So we have a few new emails. This we can get rid of because it's nothing important. Telling me I have a new item I have unlocked. Okay. So we're gonna accept. Basically, he needs upgrade to 16 gig RAM. Apparently, his daughter wants better RAM. She needs 16 gigs, and they currently got 2 gigs and 4 RAM slots. So yeah. So we're all okay. So now we need to remove viruses. This is pretty easy. So I'm just going to fast forward me doing this.
This is very, very annoying. Okay, I'll be right back so I can finish this with you guys. You guys are back. So apparently, I'm just really, really dumb because I just did that one quick. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Phone changes and restart. Yes. Alright, got that done. PC parts, that. Now that's another job done. Okay, diagnose and fix. I can do that. Fix this. Diagnose and fix. Yep. Overclocking. Yep.
Okay, so I have completed the job and
Alright,
I've
so
now
I will see
got
you guys
everything
in
done.
a different life.
Now I
Thanks
just
for
need to
watching,
put in
and
the
signing off.
this. Okay, so now that was done, now we can go to here, collect pay, and now we need to discard. Now we have this one, place graphics card. So we go to shop, with storage, this. You wanted the Sheen, right? What do you want? Sheen G4. Oh, that's not a graphics card. I was looking for Sheen graphics card. And you want the regular. Right? And Solid Sheen teacher or better. Or better. So we're gonna stick what we want. IPC parts. Okay. So that's on its way, and then we need to figure out what RAM type this is. So, basically, this now day is done. See you guys all on day 5. It is now January 5th, Friday. We have a lot to do, so let's get into it. First, I check my email, see if we got anything. Yes, we do. So we're gonna accept it. Like I said, I skip all this, but I read the objective, place the air cooler, and clean out dust. So they want a new replace air cooler, right? So now I need to go back, blah blah blah. So it's getting very hot. So keyword very hot. So that means they need to upgrade. Well, there's the first problem. It lives on the floor of my dusty office. Now you figured out why uh your air cooler's not working. Well, I did. He didn't. Anyways, I hope it's not all clogged up. If you have to replace, and then please pick the cheap. So he wants the cheapest one, even though he probably has the cheapest one. I mean, Audrey, my bad. She has the cheapest fan, and he wants the even cheaper one. Okay, anyways, can't afford anything fancy. Okay, so you're having money troubles. I feel bad. To replace the air cool, okay, pretty basic. This one we'll have to look at. This one, have it. PC, pick it up, put it on here. What is we have? Man, yep, that's the graphics card. This is what we do. Remove front panel. Front panel is out. Remove the graphics panel. To remove the graphics card, install the graphics card. This is a new one. Install it. Install, close that. And then do the same. I'm doing the same process. Back over. Install P. And pretty simple. Now we just need to install the cables. So that was a graphics card I just installed, right? So there's many different graphics cards you can choose from. They all do the same, but they work at different speeds. The more money you put into the graphics card, the faster it goes. The less money you put into it, the slower it goes. But it's all on your money preference. So with the PC boots, everything's looking fine. I just want to check. I'm gonna unplug this panel. Did I do it right? Yeah. Okay. Again, guy, I know why. You might want to, add some more fans. Anyway, okay, put the panel back on. This job is now complete. So now we can remove wires that don't need to be anywhere. And this can go back to where it was. Okay. Job was complete. Collect, discard, upgrade, clean out, and then yeah, with unlock, you have unlocked 6th generation. Okay, new components, fantastic. Place air cooler, clean out the in transit. This one we're gonna go to, left click and see what kind of RAM sticks I need. Okay, so let's go to the email. So I'm giving my daughter PC, and she said she need lots of RAM. Apparently, she says she needs 16 gigs, and I've currently gotten 2 gigs and 2 gigabytes, and there's 4 RAM slots on my. Okay, so we need 16 gigs of RAM. We just need to know what kind of RAM you got. So you have the 2. Okay. So we're gonna close that. Go to shop. Montanelli. So 4 gigs. 1, 2, 3, 4. About that much. Okay. Have that now. Now we need to go back to the email. And then this air cooler. Does it say what air cooler? Cheapest air cooler was go to shop. Go to CPU coolers. Cheapest looks like Chivas air cooler, $10. Buy now. Okay, so those are now buying. So we'll get end the day and pick up on Monday. So see you all. See you all on Monday. Now, January 8th, Monday. We have a lot to do on the calendar, so let's get into it. First, we have our okay. Love to see it. So let's go install those. We're gonna remove that, install memory. I wish I could see that. I like how it install. Okay, now that I have the RAM installed, now I can install the front plate. Okay, the front plate is now installed. Now we can just boot it up. And then we can boot it up. See if it works. Yep, it works. So now we can put that there. Job well completed. Collect. Okay. Discard. Few new ones or viruses. Okay. So now I need to place air cooler. So go to PC, pick it up, remove these, removed. Now that we have those removed, now we can clean it. Cleaning is now done. Now we can remove that, move, and install CPU colon. Just like that. And go to cable, install, and then there we go. And then install the front. Front's now installed. Now I just need to install these wires. Now the wires are installed. like power on. It's booting up. Yep, boots up. And now we can take it and put it there. And now collect our money. We can discard that. Discard that. In transit, in transit. These will all get here on this day. If you want to know what I could do, so that's for viruses. This is to upgrade 16 gig. So I don't know. I can't do nothing. Just okay, clean out. So that is the end of day 8.